According to a recent social media trend survey, automobile buyers have ranked social networks higher than a dealer's website when deciding which dealership to visit for the third year running. Based on observations from 2,000 car buyers and 2,000 service customers, the study concluded that, when choosing a car dealership, 75% of car buyers and 68% of service customers said online research, including social media and review sites, was the most useful. When choosing a dealership, 83% of service clients surveyed think online review sites were very helpful. The percentage of car owners or buyers who claim to have clicked on a Facebook advertisement has increased from 33% in 2014 to 66%, with 50% of recent auto buyers and 69% of service customers reporting they only visited one dealership before buying or servicing. Consumers wanting to buy or service a vehicle are largely conducting the research online. Social media platforms are undoubtedly a significant factor in a buyer's decision-making process when they're shopping for an automobile. The majority of marketers now recognize the importance of incorporating social media into their marketing plans. Others use a fully integrated social media strategy to create leads and communicate with customers, while some may just have a Facebook page and publish material or photographs on it. The car sector needs to completely embrace social selling, though, since more and more consumers are turning to social media. 10. Targeting Facebook users is necessary, especially because 84% of your target audience is already there. Advertise to folks who have indicated they're interested in buying a car. You can filter these choices by vehicle type, gender, consumer interests, and more to focus on regions close to your dealership. The financial commitment is excellent. Unified's research reveals that vehicle advertising have click-through rates that are 2 times higher than those of the typical Facebook ad. 9. Use Twitter to promote sales. According to market share research, Twitter promoted $716 million in automobile sales in 2013. Twitter is still a favorite among those who buy cars. Canvas' most recent research indicated that every day, more than 327,000 tweets are dedicated to automobiles, and 75% of these have a direct connection to ownership or shopping. These signals can be recognized through keyword targeting, and those customers who have shown buy intent can receive direct communications and advertisements. 8. Instagram marketing for millennials. According to a Facebook survey, millennials are abandoning Facebook and focusing more on Instagram. Instagram is a photo sharing and video uploading app that's mostly used on mobile devices. Instagram is a fantastic platform for telling your brand's narrative in an original way. Share images of your automobiles at the beach, tailgating at a sporting event, camping, beside a lake, or in any other imaginative setting you can think of, for instance, to help customers visualize themselves there. 7. Sharing stories on social media. Social media is about the human connection. Posting and broadcasting content is no longer sufficient. Social media storytelling is a fantastic method to engage with your audience and foster brand loyalty. Instead of using social media as a platform for advertising, use it to facilitate conversation. Share your personal stories to personalize your brand. Post films of your workers who serve as the face of your company, as an example. Post images demonstrating your support for regional charities. Starbucks has done a fantastic job at conveying stories on social media. Coffee is about spending time with friends, unwinding and indulging rather than just being caffeinated. The same is also possible for the car industry. 6. YouTube's video marketing platform. 84% of car buyers intend to view auto video the next time they're in the market for a vehicle, according to Force Marketing. To make decisions, car buyers are looking for content on model comparisons, safety features, linked gadgets, walkarounds, and other topics. 5. Include Pinterest in your social media plan. The majority of marketers see some of the more well-known social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as platforms for social marketing. With its recipes, design ideas, and cosmetic advice, Pinterest is renowned for having a bigger female audience. Pinterest is beneficial to car sector in a number of ways, though. 1. What better approach to attract female buyers, given that it has such a sizable female audience? By sharing landing pages, stock photos, or pinning blog pieces, Pinterest is also fantastic for increasing your SEO presence. As a result, social signals are generated, increasing traffic to your website. 4. Keeping in mind that social media is a two-way conversation, you share entertaining stories, wonderful articles, and more on your blog. But do you engage with your social media followers? Make sure to reply to tweets, thank people who share your work, respond to inquiries, and address complaints. Social media is a quick-moving, real-time medium. Do not wait a week before answering. On social media, users anticipate prompt responses to their queries. You could miss out on worthwhile possibilities if you aren't constantly checking. 3. Offer competitions and promotions tailored to social media. Creating content for social media should be focused on engaging users, not simply boasting how awesome you are, as we previously stated. You should still advertise your deals and specials though. Everyone enjoys a good offer and a discount, so spread the word. Be inventive and give your social media fans rewards with deals and competitions that are only accessible through your Facebook page or other social media sites. 2. Be utterly dedicated. The automotive business can undoubtedly benefit much from social media marketing, which increases brand recognition, leads, and ultimately sales. But to keep up a social media plan, you must be fully devoted. You must continue to interact and engage with your social media followers once you've established a fan following. If you don't publish anything new or reply to comments for a few days, your social standing will swiftly decline. You only have a brief window of opportunity to interact with online automobile buyers in terms of your digital presence. If you don't, you may be certain that your rivals will. Maintaining a social presence can increase the number of appointments you receive, the amount of goods and services you sell, and the amount of money your company makes. 1. Social reviews are important. Customers should be encouraged to provide reviews on your social media platforms. A study found that if you have favorable evaluations, car shoppers are 90% more likely to visit your website and 5.3 times more likely to visit your dealership. Customers examine reviews in social media in addition to the conventional third-party review sites, so encourage your pleased customers to express their positive experience there. Respond to unfavorable reviews. This is equally crucial. Customers that have had a negative experience want to be heard, and quick action will minimize harm. Make sure to keep an eye on social media and review sites, especially on the weekends. You don't want these complaints to go through the cracks because they're 19% more likely to be written on a Saturday, Sunday, or Monday following a terrible weekend experience. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Comment below about what you want to watch next, and stay tuned for more such amazing content. Keep watching.